In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the differential equation, which is nothing but problems of orthogonal trajectories in polar form. So, previous video we have seen orthogonal trajectories in the Cartesian form and the basic definition of what is orthogonal trajectories. So, when it's coming for orthogonal trajectories, it is there for both Cartesian as well as polar form. So, Cartesian, just what we have done, we have a function of x, y and C, and first step we are try to eliminate the parameter to get your after like getting your differential equations. Okay, when you differentiate, try to eliminate or get the value of the parameter and replace to the equations. Okay, and later in the differential equation we need to replace dy by dx to minus dx by dy, and then you can do the variable separable method to get the answer. Okay, so now we will see in polar form what we can able to do. So that is a second case. When you have a polar family, as we know already, what is that in polar coordinates is r and theta. In that function, the curve has been given in f of r comma theta is equal to c, then we can tell it is a polar family. First step, by default we need to take a log first, because here in terms of r and theta is there along with the parameter. So first thing we need to eliminate the parameter, right? So it's easy format, you can remove by using the log terms, because log you can use either I can apply the power rule or I can able to apply the product of log of a into b or log of a by b. You can do that. You can separately you can convert to the parameter of the constant whatever is given in the question, then you can differentiate, automatically it will go for the 0. For that reason, by default we have to take a log first, and then replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr, and then you can use the solving equation. So what we have done in Cartesian form, when you are solving the equation, so after replacing in the differential equation of dy by dx to minus dx by dy, we are solved it. So how we have solved? Variable separable method. So to make it dx along with the x variable, dy along with the y variable, then you can integrate it, right? Same procedure here also. R dr with in terms of you will be having coefficients will be in terms of r, and d theta coefficients in terms of theta. Then you integrate, you will be getting a orthogonal trajectories of the given polar family. Okay, so we'll go for the example. First problem, find the orthogonal trajectories of the family r power n cos n theta is equal to a power n. So first you can write a given equation, r power n cos n theta is equal to a power n. So what is the first step? You can take a log. So log of r power n cos n theta is equal to log of a power n. Now log a plus log b, right? So log of r power n plus log of cos n theta is equal to, apply the power rule, n log a. Now again r power n, you can write it as a power rule, n log r. Okay, so n log r, and then plus log of cos n theta is equal to log a. I'll be getting it. Okay, that's what the second step we got it. Now you can see that differentiate with respect to theta. So what will happen when you differentiate? N will be a constant, log r, log x, right? 1 by x, same way 1 by r. But again r is a dependent variable. So with respect to theta means dr by d theta, plus I have a log of cos n theta. So log x is 1 by x, right? So 1 by cos n theta. Again cos n theta you have to do the differentiation. It will be a minus sin n theta. Again n theta will come n. So minus n sin n theta by cos theta equal to 0. R. What is that? N will be cancelled this term. 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to minus sin theta by cos theta will be a tan, minus will go to other side, it will become a tan n theta. Next one, we need to replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. Okay, as per the definition or working rule for your orthogonal trajectories. So just you can replace, what you will be having, 1 by r into minus r square d theta by dr. This r will get cancelled. So what I will be having, tan n theta, or you can write it minus r d theta by dr is equal to tan n theta. Now we need to find a solution. How to solve? By using a variable separable method. So tan n theta take to left side and r dr to be taken to the right side. So what I will have, tan d theta by tan n theta is equal to dr by minus r. Now integrate both the side. Meanwhile, take that dr by minus r to the left side, it will become a plus, right? Then you will have a right side will be a constant of c. So 1 by tan is nothing but cot n theta. So now 1 by r is a log r plus 1 by n into log of sin n theta. Integration of cot n theta is nothing but log of sin n theta, which is equal to c, or n log r plus log of sin n theta is equal to nc. So what is that? Again the power rule and the product rule. So log r power n, first term, log a plus log b, log of a into b, r power n into sin n theta is equal to log b. I am going to consider, because I have an nc, both is in the parameter. I am going to consider in terms of log, because I am going to simplify both the side in terms of log, means easily I can able to simplify. For that reason we are considering nc is nothing but log b. Now what will happen? Log will get cancelled on both the side. R power n sin n theta is equal to b is the required orthogonal trajectories. Okay, we'll see the one more example. So second example, find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of the curve. Here cos theta is there in the right side. Okay, r power n is equal to a power n into cos n theta. So how we will do? As I said, by default in polar form we have to family, we need to take a first log, and immediately it will come n log r is equal to n log a plus log of cos n theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta, what I will get? N by r dr by d theta is equal to 1 by cos n theta into cos n theta will be sin n theta into n, that is minus sin n theta. Again n theta will be n, ditto like a previous one. Now what is that? 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to minus tan n theta. We got it, the differential equation in the polar family. Now we need to replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. So what will happen? 1 by r minus r square d theta by dr. So what will happen? It will be r d theta by dr is equal to tan n theta. Same way now we need to find a solution. You can do the variable separable method. So d theta by tan n theta is equal to dr by r. Now integrate. What is that? You take the cot terms like dr by d theta to make it a plus. I am going to take this term to the left side, right side, and convert left to right. So an integrate, you will get a c. So integration dr by r minus integration cot n theta into d theta is equal to c. Then 1 by r will be log r minus cot n theta integration is log of sin n theta. Again n theta will be by n, I will get is equal to c. Same way what we had done a previous one. Take a LCM for n and n to be taken to the right side. So n log r minus log of sin n theta is equal to nc. Now log of r power n in minus of log of sin n theta I will get, right? Log a minus log b is nothing but log of a by b. So log of r power n by sin n theta is equal to log k. Therefore r power n is equal to, what is it? Both the side log k, how we have taken in nc to be considered as a log k. Okay, so log is cancelled on both the side. R power n is equal to, or that is nothing but r power n by sin n theta is equal to k. I will get r power n is equal to k into sin n theta. We can able to get the required orthogonal trajectories. Okay, so what you have to remember in orthogonal trajectories, both in Cartesian and the polar family, first thing we need to eliminate the parameter. Then later we are going to find the differentiation if it is in Cartesian with respect to x, if it is in polar with respect to theta. And then what you are supposed to do, we are going to replace, if it is in Cartesian, dy by dx to be replaced as an minus dx by dy. If it is in polar family, we are going to replace dr by d theta is minus r squared into d theta by dr. Then later what you are supposed to do? We are supposed to do the variable separable method. So take the separable to the variable corresponding to the differentiations notations. That means dx coefficients must be a function of x, dy coefficient must be a function of y. Then you can integrate. Same way for r and theta also, right? So just you can integrate and then you will be do the simplification. You will be getting a required orthogonal trajectories. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.